Okay, let's understand availability statuses. This is where you create all the different leave and availability types you want to see in your job scheduler. Things like sick leave, maternity leave, availability, annual RDOs. Set it up once and it's ready to use across Go Site Ready. Head to Settings and open Availability Statuses. You can click the plus icon to create new statuses, the pencil icon to edit existing, and of course the bin to delete. Be sure to add a clear title, use a description if you like, and choose a colour so the leave stands out. Add a description and choose a colour so the leave stands out on the job scheduler. Hit save and you're done. Just remember, availability types must be created here in settings first before you can assign them to people under the availabilities page.